right. Welcome back, everyone. It's Irvin here. Welcome to another session. Today we are gonna be analyzing the per-week analysis for 4 different pair: gold, Euro USD, USDJPY, and EURGBP. This is for the week of September 7 to the 11th, and we are here trading our multiple time frame system. So let's go. So just a quick reminder, guys, Monday, it is a federal holiday here in United States. A lot of people are gonna be off, to be honest, or either a lot of people take the Labor Day as a goodbye to the summer. Summer is over, so now we are going to winter. So that is it. Usually people consider Labor Day as like to saying goodbye to summer, but hey, just a quick respect to to all those men and women that they are hardworking women. We pay tribute to them as well. So let's go. So let's go ahead and see what we have for this first pair. Let me go ahead and bring my epic pen, guys, because I think if I don't bring this pen here, things are gonna go on the other side. So so if you guys want to download that one, go ahead and do it, guys. I think it costs like, I don't know, couple dollars. It's about maybe, I don't know, like 20-30 bucks, something like that, but it's there. So I mean, you guys can get it. All right, so let's go ahead and start with USDJPY. USDJPY, to be honest, guys, the trend here is a bullish trend, and let's just do it. Let me take a quick look. So I just want to give you the right information, because if I give you the wrong information, then we are doing bad business. Yes, it's bullish, but you know what I realized, that if I switch my time frame, for some reason my setting, the drawing that I was gonna give you guys, it disappeared. So this is what I have. So here we have a bullish market. So the market, I see the market still gonna have a couple more candles to drop down, and then the market is gonna be bullish. This is very important for everyone to pay attention, because I don't know if everyone has the multiple time frame. In case you don't, hopefully this will help you, to be honest, because this is what I'm seeing, guys. This is what I'm seeing. Pay attention here. Our signal, our brothers and sisters, tell us here there is a selling positioning here, which is true. The market is selling, and then we have here, we have a reversal saying, Irvin, stop. This sell here is over. But this is what we're looking for, guys. To be honest, the boss here is this guy here, this buy here, this buy here. We're looking for this, that. We're looking we're looking for this guy. This is matching this sell here. But the question here is, what kind of sell is this one here? Guys, I'm here live, so I need you to participate, because when you participate, this is the only way that you will understand what's going on behind the scene. Because my job, my vision is to see each and every one of you very successful. Remember, there is tons of money in the market, so all I want you to get is couple $100,000 and boom, and that's it. But here, guys, this guy here represent, start with a P, represent a PV. Look at here, this is another PV, this is another PV here. So we are looking, to be honest, I want you to understand, we are looking for buy here, right? Buy, this other buy here, this other buy here. This is real time right now. Boom, it went up. So right now here, market is still giving us a PV. PV stands for pullback, right? So yes, so the market is to be honest, is faking, you guys. It's really If you're not be careful with USDJPY, you will think the market is in a downtrend. Look at this huge engulfing candle here, pulling your leg, saying, hey, everybody need to be sell, let's go. Everybody's selling crazy. And guess what? A lot of newbies will start selling on the second candle as soon as this one close, selling here. Let me make this. Please understand this, guy, because I know my team understand this. And then all the newbies start selling here. John, Irving, TeamWithERVING, Mike, Junior, Mr. Smith, Samantha, Julia, whatever name. They all start selling. And all suddenly the market do what? It reverse. It reverse using our system, right? Here's a multiple time frame system in there. It tells Irving, boom, let's go bullish. And everybody got stopped out. It go like, what's going on? Whatever system you using, pay attention. Probably your system told you, okay, I got stopped out. I don't understand. The signal says clearly. I said, no, guys. Pullback equal BB, buy business. That's what it is. Look at another bad business here. So my call for this one is the market's still gonna drop maybe 1 or 2 more candle, 3 at the most, and then it's gonna retest all this low here, guys. Look at this. Previously it's a lot of touch. Then from there we're looking a continuation of the bullish market. So then the market will continue bullish. This is very important, guys. I'm taking my time on this one because this is very important. This is it will fake you out. Whatever system you are using, pay attention. If you want to come and join us, please let me know. Check the description of this video as well. The link is in there. If you guys want to learn how I teach the 101 behind scene, there is a join subscription on the YouTube. Take a look at it. It's worth it, guys. Even if you don't get the multiple time frame, it's worth it. Go back to your other settings, whatever you're doing, and it will help you out. Your job is to make a couple $100 out of the market. All right, pay attention what the market is doing here. Look at here, guys. This is Euro USD. You tell me. It's most likely. Look, Euro USD is in a sell position, right? It's clearly telling you in there. Hey, Irving, multiple time frame says, brothers and sisters as well, it says it's in a sell position. Sure it is. Now the question is, look at what's going on here. It looked like we are gonna be in a what? Reversal. That's pretty interesting. It looked like we are gonna be in a reversal. Basically a continuation of the trend. To be honest, this guy here to me equal pullback. Because I'm not seeing clearly our rules saying yes, the market is in a clean sell position. It's not. So what I'm looking here this week, guys, I make tons of money on this one. This past week, I make tons of money on this one. And it's just, I just made a video. If you have not checked the video, pay attention to the video that I did. I think it was on Thursday or Friday. I'm gonna put it above so you can check it. It's gonna show up on the top of your screen. A new strategy, pretty neat. Putting 2 windows side by side. This one helped me a lot. Nice and clean. I trade with 3 different accounts, but just Euro USD, I bank out of them a couple $100. Pretty neat. So we're looking here for what? We're looking here for more buy. Buy is gonna get strong, and then it's gonna retest here mid 23 through a 0 Fibonacci line, and boom, it's gonna reverse back. Just a quick disclaimer, guys, before I forget, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader trying to show you how to grab and learn how to make hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pips. There it is, our gold membership. In case someone just asked, there it is. Go in there, start learning those 101. It will change you forever. if you want to make money. If you want to find me in any other social media, there it is, Team with Irving. You can join the Facebook Forex USA group or multiple time frame Forex. Let's go. All right, so hopefully this makes sense. So I get very excited, guys. You have to bear with me when it comes to Forex. I get very, very excited. I mean, be honest, that's how I make majority of my living, guys. Trading. Look at here. Look at the EURGBP, guys. Look at how simple our stuff is, to be honest. Look, using multiple time frame cannot be difficult. The only thing is that we trade with rules. Look at here. Sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. I like to teach people only real time. What is real time telling us the market is doing? Well, the market is telling us we are in a buy position. You're seeing it. All right. So since you are seeing it, let me delete all this, because this we are in real time, right? So let's make this a little bit bigger. And let's say, where's the Fibonacci sitting? Because Fibonacci means everything. All right, so we are supposedly in a buy position, right? So why is this buy position, this brothers and sisters here telling us yes, it's in a buy position? So buy position is game over. Boom. Finito. Look who just showed up saying, hey guys, we are going down now. And this is what I'm thinking the market will do, guys. The market still have room to drop. And it's going to drop and retest our 50 Fibonacci line, which is one of our golden area here of our Fibonacci. From this level here, from our 50 Fibonacci line, we're looking for a small pullback, retesting all the previous high here. Then market will continue as bearish. Remember, EURGBP is in a bearish position. Is your system telling you it's a bearish position? Because my multiple time frame system here is telling me the market, it is dropping down. All right. So we trade multiple time frame equal 4 hours, daily, weekly, and monthly. This is how we trade our business here in Forex. If you trade a different way and you are finding success, I'm happy for you. But we are here trading multiple time frame system. Okay, hopefully all this makes sense, guys. Guys, if you guys are finding value of this video, please go ahead, hit the thumbs up in the button. If you have any opinion or you want me to analyze any of your pair for tomorrow is Sunday. Remember, Monday is a holiday day, guys. It's a federal holiday here in the United States, so don't expect the market to be doing crazy movement. It's a Labor Day. People are going to be off, enjoying their family. They're not going to be thinking about trading. So please don't write in the comments, say, oh, Irving, the market is low. Yes, it is. I'm telling you right now up front, market, it will be slow. It's a federal holiday. So enjoy your time with your family, guys. But I mean, that's what it is. All right, let's go to the next one. But if you want me to analyze any of your pair, please comment it below and I will be more than happy to do so. Okay, this is using our dashboard. So but still, it doesn't matter what you're gonna be using. Look at this one, guys. Gold is in a sell position. Look at how amazing. To be honest, this is what we're looking for. We're looking for, let me make this smaller because I hate when this comes bigger. So it take the whole screen out of my PC. All right, so look at here. We're looking for this type of sales here. Sales that goes on our favor. Look, sales. Real time. Look at that. I love to teach only real time because that's all it matters. A lot of people love to teach back data. Guys, if someone is teaching you back data, you need to stop. Because back data will make them look good. It will make you be a loser on the market because back data will not make you money. What make you money is real time. Look at what real time is telling. Multiple time frame brothers and sisters says, okay, let's go down. But pay attention. the next question we ask ourselves is, what is our multiple time frame arrow telling us the market it is at the present time? Well, this is reality here. This is real, guy. Market is doing what? What do you think this guy here represent? Go ahead, type it below. Let me give you a hint. Well, if you say it's a PV, well, congrats. Look at that. Congratulations, guys. I'm very proud of your success. Very proud. This here represent a PV, guys. So the PV still has room to grow, to go up. Still gonna retest our 38 to our 23 Fibonacci line. Probably about four candles. Then the market will give us what? It will give us a continuation of our brothers and sisters, which is gonna pop in here. So we're looking in gold, to be honest, for what? I mean, guys, I'm here live, you're here live, you need to ask. Look, we're looking in this position for a what? A red arrow, right? The red arrow represents a sell position. That's what it is, guys. Guys, the money, this is where the money is. The money is only on 4 hours, daily, weekly, and monthly. This baby time frame is here is only for your interest. Only for your interest. The big bosses need to tell you which direction of the market is trading. That makes sense? So yeah, guys, hopefully you guys are finding value of this. Let me know, comment, put it on the comment of the YouTube, guys, any pair that you want me to analyze, because someone sent me a message already to analyze US 30, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. But if you guys want me to analyze any other pair, please let me know as well, and I will be more than happy to help you out, because here we are a community of traders. We want to help our community to grow professionally, help their family, help their loved one. Look, Christmas is coming, guys, and we need some money to buy gift to help our community. So let's go. Let's help our community, guys. And look, it's Forex will do it if you trade with rules. You got no rules, I'm sorry, but it's not gonna work for you. All right. So yeah, so make sure you go ahead and put that in there, comment, do whatever you have to do. And remember, Monday is a Labor Day holiday, so stay away from your PC. Go enjoy your family. Market will be slow anyway. There will be no movement unless if you want to be in there, learn, watch some video, so on, and get ready. Like and share this video if you want. Let's go. Thank you, guys. God bless you. God bless the United States, and let's go. I'll see you on tomorrow's video. Take care. Bye bye.